Today was an inflow-driven day for the SPY, guys. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome. To all subscribers, welcome back. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, pushing upwards from the support and inflow level of 623. And in today's volatility, our SPY buy at 10:40 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Bull strength on 42 vision and call options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve and learn the strategies that I teach over at the Discord, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment to join us and receive that clarity and edge over the charts and over the markets and get connected to our 42 vision indicators, our bots, and the educational videos that I share. Check out the link down below in the description. We look forward to getting you connected. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, going ahead and breaking out through that outflow level that rejected things downwards yesterday, and they were the key resistance to try to retest all-time highs or even go towards a higher level. And here we are with it breaking out to a new all-time high and rejecting up here. But this is crucial. We need to stay above these inflows. Now I'm going to break it all down, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to join the members using 42 Vision, our bots, and this information to receive the clarity and edge that they deserve and be informed through the volatility of the markets. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. So the home run today was from our Apple bot. Our Apple bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:25 a.m. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, turning inflows into dominating over the charts, and call options went up 80% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to having you join the community and getting you connected. Let's jump into these charts. Here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, doing a full transition from red bars to multiple bright green bars. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 Vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, with an inflow-driven day. We broke through that outflow level. Inflows is when blue is dominating. You could see the shade there once inflows are dominating, and red is outflows. In this example, you could see the outflows dominating. We rejected off that level of 626, and we came back to retest the previous inflow level at 625 in this tight range. Usually we retest and retrace towards the next inflow level if outflows are dominating. We pull down towards it, and if we get strength here, the next level we'll retest is the previous outflow level to retrace and break through, or even test as a resistance to use as support for the next leg up. So if we push upwards, this is the first resistance to not ignore. Now, outflows here are not dominating. We go ahead and zoom out even bigger to the 15-minute. Inflows have been pushing things back up. We're up here testing new all-time highs, and we're going to break it all down here. Why the bull and bear indicators, we should not ignore them, but the first key support is down here at 625. If that gets broken through, then 624 to 623.70, and then below that is 622.80 area, right? Those are those outflows and inflow levels to the downside. To the upside, it's the all-time high up here of 626.80s. I would just round it up to 627 and then the 630 level. So when we zoom out, we had a bull indicator here on the 15-minute in the pre-market at 623.50. It never got canceled, even though things pulled back a little bit to 622, 623 area. And then quickly things started to reverse, and that bull indicator lasted all day. Now, when we zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, we're back under a bull indicator, canceling that bear indicator from 624.90 area, popping up yesterday in the pre-market into the open at 621.50. And then the 2 hour is the one we've been watching for a bull indicator to cancel that bear indicator at 623, because that's the first bear indicator that pops up since the bull indicator we were watching down here at 598. We talked as we pushed upwards. It was okay if we pulled back slightly and found support at 605 or 603. And as we ran back up, we needed to break through 608, 610, and 612. That's what we did. And that's how we've ended up here at these all-time highs. And this is why it's so important on the larger time frames for the bull indicators or bear indicators to stay in effect. And anything that's going on for as long as a bull indicator is in effect, as we got one back up at these levels, in the volatility of the 3-minute or even on the 5-minute, it's not justifiable, these pullbacks, for as long as there's bull indicators in the larger time frames. And I broke that down when we were down at those levels near 607, 608. And that's the edge that 42 Vision gives us, and you're going to see that here. As long as this bull indicator holds up, any pullback is not justifiable, especially if the 1 hour doesn't cancel as well. We may see in the volatility, like on the 5-minute, it just got a bear indicator here at 607.50, but it does not justify the move to the downside because we have multiple bull indicators on larger time frames. So the key levels I'll be watching to the downside is 605 to 603 and 600, and to the upside, it's going to be 608, 610, and 612, guys. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and gain that edge to be able to clearly see the strength of supports and resistance with our inflow versus outflow and the levels we may retrace towards in either direction, and the strength of that trend that's confirming the move with our bull and bear indicators within the volatility of the charts and markets, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment and join the members using 42 Vision and become part of the community. We look forward to having you join us. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.